Hi, and welcome to Tauro Movies. The season of the long and cold nights has started. We are out here in the Swiss mountains on a height of about 1400 meters, and I started this day a little bit too late. So in about half an hour it's getting dark. The only equipment I carry is of course warm clothes, something to eat, something to drink, and an old military tarp. So actually I try to build a shelter out of it and make a good fire, so it's not going to be too cold this night. What I found here is an old fireplace, so I built my little shelter up here, right in front of it. Hopefully it will reflect the heat from the fire. I know it's not a big tarp here, but it will be big enough to sit here and stay warm at night. So now I got a nice fire out here. It's really hot beneath the tarp, so I sit a little bit next to it. But now I'm hungry, and as you can see, it's really dark out here. What I have to eat is a sausage, and I put a pizza around it, so I call it my outdoor and survival hot dog. It's quite warm and comfortable near the fire and beneath my tarp. I really enjoy it out here. I will stay here for 1 more hour and then I'll go back home to my family. I hope you like this little trip or excursion out here in the Swiss mountains, and you will join Tauro Movies the next time again. Thanks for watching, tschüss, ciao und bye bye.